Welcome back to Math Maintenance. Today we are talking about number lines and how they can be used to help us with addition problems or subtraction problems or seeing patterns in numbers. So I have 3 different number lines on the board. They don't continue one to the other, so we'll look at each of them separately. The first thing I want to do with the number lines is to figure out kind of what the pattern is going from one spot to the next so you can fill in the missing items on the number line. So we can do that by looking at the numbers that we have and looking for whether we are counting by ones, by twos, by threes, skip counting by some other number, looking for what the pattern is. So I know that it goes 10, 12, something, 16. If I can't see the pattern just by looking at these two numbers, I could look for a spot in the number line where I have a little bit more of the pattern. So here I see 20, 22, 24. I'm seeing a pattern that I'm counting by twos. So if I skip count by twos, 10, 12, this would be 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I could then write a number sentence using this number line. So for example, I could say 16 minus 4 equals, well, remember that each jump I do is minus 2. So this would be minus 2. This would be minus 4. It's another 2. So minus 2, minus 4. So 16 minus 4 equals 12. I could also do an addition problem. 16 plus 6 equals, here's plus 2, here's plus 4, here's plus 6. That got me to 22. On my next number line, I can do the same pattern. So I'm going to first see what the pattern is, fill in the numbers, and then write some number sentences. 101, 102, 103. Looks like I'm just counting up by ones. So next would come 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. I could then write a number sentence. 105 plus 4 equals, and because these jumps are by 1, I would have to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 105 plus 4 equals 109. Last number line. 10, 15, 20, something, 30. I'm seeing a pattern that I'm skip counting by fives. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. I could then write a number sentences using counting by fives. So 20 plus 15 equals, here's plus 5, plus 10, plus 15 equals 35. 55 minus 15 equals 55 minus 5, 10, 15 equals 40. Today you just have one page in your packet. It will look very similar to what we just did on the board. First, you'll want to fill in the number lines, figuring out what they're counting by and what numbers are missing. Down here, you'll complete the number line and then complete the number sentence using your number line to help you. Down on the bottom, you can create your own number line with any set of numbers that you want and then write 2 number sentences to go along with it. Your digital practice for today is an addition problem practice. You will solve the addition problem and then find the puzzle piece with the correct answer, drag and drop the puzzle piece onto the grid to complete the problem and eventually reveal a picture. Since we're practicing addition on our digital activity today, for your manipulative activity, I would like you to practice your subtraction flashcards to make sure you're getting practice with both addition and subtraction as we move forward. Good luck!